Happy morning, students. Welcome to grade 6 English class. Today we are going to learn the worksheet of articles. The definition, rules and examples we have learned already. With the help of the usage of articles a and then we are going to fill the worksheet. Articles. Today we are going to learn the worksheet of articles first. Listen children, in our previous classes we have learned about articles, its rules, definition, everything we have learned, and now we are going to practice using this definition of articles and the rules. We are going to learn the worksheet and how to apply the answers for this worksheet. So listen carefully children. Now look at the definition of articles children. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. You all know that what do you mean by noun. Noun is a naming word. It's a name of a person, place, animal and thing. It defines, articles defines about the noun, whether the noun is specific or unspecific. Children, first we can recall that what do you mean by articles. Articles are words that modify a noun as specific or unspecific. Again listen children, articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. And articles we can point out as indefinite articles and definite article. Article a and an are mentioned as indefinite articles. And the article the is known as the definite article. So listen children, articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Children, this articles grammar we have written in our classwork, that is rules and definitions in our classwork notebooks. We can recall this grammar and then we shall do the worksheet of articles. First look at the definition children. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. That it gives us the mention as specific or unspecific. And then articles are divided into two categories. One is the indefinite article and second one is the definite article. The article a and an are known as indefinite article and the article the is mentioned as definite articles. The next look at the indefinite article, that is the articles a and an are used to refer to a noun for the first time. They are called indefinite articles. Listen children, indefinite articles means the articles. What are indefinite articles? The articles a and an are known as indefinite articles. Where you have to use these indefinite articles, it is used to refer to a noun for the first time. When you are pointing out the noun for the first time, we can use this indefinite article either a or an. They are called indefinite articles. A boy, an egg. So where you have to use this definite, that is an indefinite article. For the first time, when you are when you are pointing out the noun for the first time, we can mention the article, that is an indefinite article, either a or an. According to this, you can mention it. The next is the indefinite, that is a definite article. The article the specifies the noun. It points out, there is a specific purpose is there. The article the specifies the noun. It is used when the noun referred to has already been mentioned. Thus the definite article already we have mentioned, that is we are pointing out something else. We are specific, that is we are pointing out, we specify something else. There we can use the article as the, that is a definite article the. So the example is the moon, the mall. Now let's recall the usage of the article a. We use a before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. So where you have to use the article as a, the article a refers to a noun for the first time. So this is indefinite article. For the first time we can represent this. And where we have to use before a singular noun. Listen carefully children. Before a singular noun. That is the countable as a singular in number. beginning with a consonant sound. You all know what is the mean by vowel and consonant. That is, a vowel means A, E, I, O, U is known as vowel, and remaining alphabet letters are known as consonant. Here listen children, we use the article a before a singular noun. We have to use the article a before a singular noun only, not for the plural form. Singular noun which begin with the consonant sound. So you have to look at the sound of the word, that is the sound of the noun, before you are inserting the article. Cup, it gives the sound as consonant sound, cup. So here we have to use the article as a. Hat, this is also consonant sound. So we have used the article as a. When we use a, when we talk about a person, place, an animal or a thing for the first time. That is, when we pointing about a noun for the first time, when we are speaking about the noun for the first time, we can use the article as a. So this is the procedure. We use a before a singular noun. There is a singular noun, that is either it may be a name of a person, place, animal or a thing, beginning with the consonant sound. So before you are applying the what is that article, you have to think about the consonant sound. If there is a consonant sound in for a singular noun, we have to use the article as a. Now look at the example children, that is for the usage of the article a. Can you lend me dash pen? What you have to mention here, can you lend me a pen? For the first time we are using this noun. Under the noun pen, it is only not pens. Pens means it's a plural form. Here we are using the singular noun pen. So before a consonant, that is it as for a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound, pen. The sound is a consonant sound, pen. So here we have to use the article as a. We use a before a singular noun. Here the singular noun is pen, beginning with a consonant sound, pen, p, the sound. So here we have to use the article as a. Some words begin with a vowel, but the vowel has the sound of consonant. Here you have to concentrate only on the sound of the noun, not the vowels. Look at here, some words that is a begin with a vowel. Look at the example, uniform. Here the letter U is a vowel, but what is the sound of that vowel? That is a word noun, is a consonant sound, uniform. Pronounce it properly children. It is not a vowel sound. U sound is there. University, U sound is there. It is a consonant sound. So a vowel, even though it is a vowel, but the vowel has the sound of a consonant, we have to use only the article as a. Although these words begin with the vowel U, the beginning sound is U, which is a consonant sound. So we use a before them. So for the word that is a noun, uniform, university, U is there. So you have to look at the sound. You have to concentrate on the sound. We use a before a singular noun, uniform. Here it is also singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. Even though it is a vowel, but the vowel has the sound of a consonant. So here we have to use the article as a. The next is the usage of an, where we have to use the article an. We use an before a singular noun. Look at this children, for the article a and an, we have to use before a singular noun only, not for the plural, beginning with a vowel sound. There the article a we can use before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. But here the article an we have to use only with the vowel sound. So you have to concentrate the sound. Either the noun belongs to a vowel sound or a consonant sound. If it is a consonant sound, we have to use the article as a. If it is a vowel sound, you have to use the article an. Army, pronounce it properly children. The noun army, all, umbrella is there. So here we have to use the article as an. We use an when we talk about a person, a place, an animal or a thing for the first time. Same thing is children for the article a and an, that is an indefinite article, but only one difference is there. We use a, that is article a, before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. But here the article an, where we have to use before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. This is the difference between the article a and an. Look at the example. I will eat an orange now. Why here we have used the article as an? Look at the noun is there. What is the noun here? Orange is the word mentioned here. Before that we have to use, what is the sound of the word orange? Is the vowel sound. So before the vowel sound you have to use the article as an. Orange is the singular, so we have to use either a or an. The sound of the noun is a vowel, so here we have pointed out the article as an. Some words begin with the consonant, but the consonant has the sound of a vowel. So for that time we can use the article as an. You should not point out as a. So listen carefully children. Some words begin with a consonant, but the consonant has the sound of a vowel. So this is the procedure for writing a article. Look at this example children. An honorable man. An R. Here why we have mentioned the article an instead of a? Because R. How will you pronounce it? R. What is the sound there? It is a vowel sound or a consonant sound? It is a vowel sound is there. R. Honorable. So pronounce it properly and you can find out the article honorable man. And R. R, not her, R is there. So it is a vowel sound. So before that we have to use the article as an honorable man, an R. The first letter H in these words is silent. And the first sound we hear is this, that of O sound. Honor, honorable, and R. So O sound is there. Since O is a vowel, we use and before the words honorable and R. So why here we have applied the article as an? Because the words begin with the consonant, but the consonant has the sound of a vowel. So for that purpose here we have pointed out the article as an. So here you should not use the article as a. Instead of that you have to use the article an, because it is a vowel sound. Even though the noun begin with a consonant letter, it consists of vowel sound. So we have to use the article as an. Next look at the usage of the definite article the. The is the definite article. The article the specifies the noun. It is used when the noun referred to has already been mentioned. The is the definite article. So look at this children. Look at this example. We use the when we talk about a particular person, place, animal or thing. When you point out about something, when you specify something, there we can use the article as the. Look at the example. Give me the small green pencil. We are pointing out. Here we have specified the green pencil which is small in size. So for this purpose we can use this article as the. Give me the small green pencil. And we also use the with the following. There are certain rules is there to apply the article the. For rivers, seas, oceans, we can mention the article as the. Look at the example, the Ganga, the Indian Ocean. So here we can point out the article as the. For group of islands, that is the Maldives. Group of islands is there, means we can point out as the Maldives. What is a famous building? The Taj Mahal. We can point out the article the. Holy books. For holy books we can represent as the articles the Quran, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita. Likewise we can mention the names from newspaper. For the names of newspaper we can point out the Hindu, the Times of India. And then for the titles, the PM of India. When we are specifying something, when we are pointing out something else, there we can use the article as the PM of India. And then natural objects that are one of a kind. natural objects that are one of a kind. That is a one in number. Natural things which is only one in number. There we can use the article the sun, the moon. That is a natural objects that are only one in number or one in kind. There we can represent the article as the. The names of trains and ships, the Titanic. Likewise, we can mention the article. Then before superlatives, before the superlatives, general rule children, you have to remember that before the superlatives, the oldest, okay, the best. So before superlatives, you have to use the article as the. So this is the procedure to write the article an or the according to the rules. Children, till now we have recalled the that is what mean by articles, its rule and definition, where we have to use the article a, an and the. That is the usage of the articles a, an and the. With the help of this definitions and the rules, we can apply the answers for our worksheet. So listen carefully children. Now look at the first Roman. Circle the correct option which makes complete sense. So you have to identify the correct option which gives the complete sense. That is which gives the correct meaning for this sentence. So here some articles are mentioned there. We have to check whether the option is correct or not. So look at the first question. Look at birds / the birds in sky. The sky is there. Look at the birds. Here the answer, it is given the option 2 is there. Birds or the birds. Birds is there. It is in the plural form. For the plural form, it was a singular in number only. We have to use the article either a or an. But here birds is in the plural form. So here we have to use the article as the. And then look at the birds. We are specifying something. We are pointing out. So look at the birds only. In sky, the sky, there is only one thing, the natural thing which is only one in number. There we can mention the article as the. So here we have mentioned the article as the. What is the answer now? Look at the birds in the sky. Now look at the second question children. Most people like chocolate, the chocolate. Two option is there. One is without article and another one is with article. Most people like chocolate. Chocolate, it is in singular or plural, it is in the number. So here most people like the chocolate. Here we have specifying something. We are pointing out the chocolate. The next one, the live in London. The London. We should not mention for the name of the place. So we have to use the. Here you should not use the article as the. You have to use only the name of the place. They live in London. Here you should not use the article the. The next one. I climbed building or the building from outside or the outside. So listen children. I climbed the building only. Not simply building. Building is only one in number. Even though it is a singular, it consists of some apartments is there. The building. So here we have specified the building. He climbed the particular building. So we have to use article as the. I climbed the building. From not the outside. For outside is a common place. So it is not a. Here we should not point out some particular place. It is a general thing. So here we have used the. That's why here we should not use the article as the. So from outside. Now read the answer. I climbed the building from outside. Now look at the next one. What would you like for breakfast? The breakfast. Here the man is specifying what would you like for breakfast. The breakfast. Here the article the specifies the noun. It is used when the noun referred to has already been mentioned. So we can use the article as the. So look at the next one. Do you know boy or the boy who lives next door? Here the articles the. We should use the article as the because the noun it specifies the noun. Listen children. Here Look at this. Do you know the boy? Which boy? The boy. A particular boy. For the particular boy, we can use the article as the. So now read the answer. Do you know the boy who lives next door? Now come to the next question. I love the Japanese or Japanese food. Here you should not, for the name of the place, you should not use the word as the article the. So remove the and when write the answer. I love Japanese food. That's all. Here you should not point out the article as the. The London is wrong. The Japanese is wrong. Instead of that, London, Japanese. That's all. So here you should not use the article as the. Now read the answer. I love Japanese food. Come to the next one. This is the tallest or tallest girl in the school. Tallest, EST is there. So, before the superlative degree, what is the article you have to use? The article the. So, now read the answer. This is the tallest girl in the school. Here, why we have underlined the answer as the tallest? Because tallest is in superlative degree. Before superlative degree, we have to use the article the. Come to the next question. The president or president of India or the India is making a speech for president. The. How you have to use this? That is for the titles. We have to use the article as the. The PM of India. Likewise for the titles. Listen carefully children. For the titles we have to use the article as the. So the president. Don't simply mention as president. For the title, we have to use the article as the. The president of India or the India, which is the correct answer. India. For the name of the place, you should not mention the article the. Simply you have to write the name of the place. So, India. Now read the answer. The president of India is making a speech. Now look at the next question children. Madhu, the Madhu is not feeling well. Madhu is the name of a person. So for the name of the person, we should not use the article as the. So mention here as Madhu. So what is the answer? Madhu is not feeling well. Now come to the second question children. Fill in the blanks with the correct indefinite articles a or an. Here we have to use the article, that is the indefinite article, either a or an. The articles a and an are used to refer to a noun for the first time. Then they are called indefinite articles. So, a and an are known as indefinite articles. Again, listen children, where we have to use the article as a. That is, we should use the article a before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. So, this point you have to keep in mind. And then, we use the article a when we talk about a person, place, animal or a thing. And for some words, begin with the vowels. But the vowel has the sound of a consonant. So, for that purpose, we can use the article as a. And then where we have to use the article an, we use an before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. Listen carefully children. Singular noun begin with a vowel sound. And then some words begin with a consonant, but the consonant has the sound of a vowel. So there we have to use the articles an. If a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound means you have to use the article a. If a singular noun begin with a vowel sound an. So these 2 points you have to keep in mind. Singular noun means you have to use either a or an. And with that singular noun beginning with the consonant sound means a, vowel sound means an. So you should not look out the word alone. You have to listen the sound of the noun. Look at the question. Fill in the blanks with the correct indefinite articles a or an. There is dash cat under your chair. What is the noun here? Cat is there. Before that you have to use the article either a or an because it is a singular in number cat. So listen children. Cat. C. What is the letter C-A-T? Cat. How will you pronounce it? Cat. What is the sound you can hear from this noun? That is vowel sound or consonant sound. This is consonant sound. If you hear the consonant sound, you have to use the article as an. You should not use the article as an. So what is the article here you have to use? A. So now read the answer. There is a cat under your chair. Come to the next one. Would you like dash cup of tea? Cup. Would you like dash cup of tea? Cup is there. Pronounce it children. Cup. What is the sound you can hear children? Consonant sound. Beginning with a consonant sound. A singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. So you have to use the article as a. Would you like a cup of tea? Then come to the next one. We are going to buy dash yacht. Pronounce it properly children. Yacht. What is the sound you can hear? Consonant sound. We can hear consonant sound. So use the article as a. We are going to buy a yacht. Look at the next one. We are going to buy dash other yacht. Other is there. Look at the word other. What is the sound you can hear there? O sound is there. It is a vowel. If it is a vowel, that is a words begin with a consonant, but the consonant has the sound of a vowel, or you can hear the vowel sound. You can use the article as an. Now read the answer children. We are going to buy an another. That's the other. An other yacht. So the answer is an. We are going to buy an other yacht. Now look at the next question children. It was dash honor to meet you. Look at the word honor is there. How will you pronounce it? Honor. The sound. It hears the vowel sound. Even though the letter is in consonant H, what is the sound you can hear here? We can hear only the vowel sound. That is, some words begin with a consonant, but the consonant has the sound of a vowel. So, honor, H-O-N-O-U-R. The first letter, H in the word is silent. Honor is silent. The first letter, what is the first letter? H in the word is silent. And the first sound we hear is that of O. Since O is a vowel, we use an before the word honor. So we have to use the article only as an. Now read the answer children. It was an honor to meet you. Now come to the next one. Have you got dash euro coin for the slot machine? Now look at the answer. U is there. Euro coin. Even though it begins with the vowel letter E, then what is the article you have to use? A. Only you have to use. You should not use the article as an. Why? Because some words begin with a vowel, but the vowel has the sound of consonant. So pronounce it properly children. Then you can find out what is the sound. Either it is a vowel sound or consonant sound. Here it is the consonant sound. So you have to use the article as a. Listen. Have you got a euro coin for the slot machine? Now look at the next question children. The woodcutter has dash axe. What is that is a noun here. Axe is there. Axe is a singular. You have to use either a or an. Axe. What is the sound you can hear? We can hear only the vowel sound. Axe. Sound. Pronounce it children. Axe. So a sound is there. So vowel sound. You have to use the article as an. Now read the sentence children. The woodcutter has an axe. Now come to the next one. There's been dash accident with dash train. Accident. Pronounce it properly, children. Accident. What is the sound you can hear there? A sound is there. So what is the article you have used? And there's been an incident with a train. Train. T is there. We use a before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. Train is a consonant. So here we have to use the article as a. And then accident is a vowel sound. So use the article and. Now read the answer, children. There's been an accident with a train. Now look at the next question, children. He will come back after dash hour. What is it? An hour. How we are writing the article an here? R is there. The first letter is a H. That is a, even though the word R, it begins with a consonant, but the consonant has the sound of a vowel. The first letter H in the word is silent, and the first sound we hear is that of O. Since O is a vowel, we use an before the word R. So now read the answer, children. He will come back after an hour. Now come to the next question. My father takes dash egg in his breakfast. Egg. E. What is the sound? Egg. So the sound we can hear is vowel sound. So egg is a singular number, but the word beginning with a vowel sound. So use the article as an. So now read the answer. My father takes an egg in his breakfast. Now come to the next one. Rupa is a great artist. Rupa is dash great. Great. What is the sound you can hear? It is a consonant sound. Great. So great artist. Great. So if it is a consonant sound, use article as a. Rupa is a singular in number that begin with the consonant sound. So use the article as a. Rupa is a great artist. Now come to the next one. Sona is artist. So look at this two difference, children. Why we have used the article as a for the first and for the next. Great artist. Great. The sound is the consonant sound. So we have used the article as a. Well, compared to the next one, only the word artist is mentioned. So there we can hear the vowel sound. If you hear the vowel sound, use the article as an. If you hear the consonant sound, use the article as a. So what is the answer? Rupa is a great artist. Then Sona is an artist. So look at the difference. For the consonant sound, use the article a. Vowel sound an. Sona is an artist. Now look at the third exercise, children. That is the combination of a definite article and indefinite article. Here we have to use the article either a or an or the according to the conversation. Look at the question, children. Raman and Norman want to buy a new home. They have come to see a house. Complete the conversation below by adding the article either a, an or the. There's a conversation between Raman and Norman. Using this conversation, that is in between, we have to use the article either a or an or the to complete the sentence. Look at the first one. Raman. Well, here we are, number 421, Macon Street. I think this was Dash house we saw online. What do you think of Dash location? Here, it specifies the noun about the house which he saw on online. So, which you have already been mentioned, you can use the article as the. So, here we have to use the article as the. I think this was the house. The article the specifies the noun, the house we saw online. What do you think of the location? The. Why here we have used the article as the for both the places? Because it specifies the noun. The article the specifies the noun. It is used when the noun referred to has already been mentioned. So for that purpose we have used the article as the. So the answer is, I think this was the house we saw online. What do you think of the location? Now what is the reply of Norman? It's in das nice neighborhood. Nice neighborhood. It is a singular in number. That is the noun is singular, but it beginning with a consonant sound. So here we have to use the article as a. It's in a nice neighborhood. A singular place is there, but it is a consonant sound. So we have used the article as a. It's in a nice neighborhood. Then Roman. There is das bus stop not too far away. The bus stop is singular in number, and then it begins with the consonant sound. Bus stop begins with the consonant sound. So you have to use the article as a. Now read the answer. There is a bus stop not too far away. Now come to the next. Norman. How many bedrooms are there? Then what is the reply of Roman? There is das master bedroom and two smaller bedrooms. Look at the difference between master bedroom and smaller bedrooms. Bedroom is a singular in number and it begins with the consonant sound. So use the article as a. Now read the answer. There is a master bedroom. Master bedroom. Then Norman. There is das backyard behind the house. How many backyards will be there? It is a singular in number only, children. There is a backyard means singular in number. And then what is the sound we can hear? That is a vowel sound or consonant sound? Yes, it is only consonant sound. So use the article as a. Now read the answer. There is a backyard behind the house. Right? Come to the next. Roman. That's right. Das backyard is actually quite large. The first Norman, it is mentioned as a backyard. And for the second time, when you are using the same thing, we can use the article, that is a definite article, the. For the first time, when you are pointing out, you can use the indefinite article. The same thing when you pointing out, that is when you specify for the second time, that is how you can use the definite article as the. Now read the answer. That's right. The backyard. We are specifying, we are pointing out. The backyard is actually quite large. Then Norman. Did you see any photos of Das living room online? We are pointing out here. So use the article as the. Did you see any photos of the living room online? You should not use the article either a or an. Even though it is singular in number, we are specifying the room, particular room. So use the article as the. Now read the answer. Did you see any photos of the living room online? Then Roman. Das living room looks great. What is that? Living room. We are pointing out for the second time the specific room. So use the article as the. Now read the answer. The living room looks great. Already we have used the article the for the room. And then for the next time you can use the same article. There is a definite article the. The living room looks great. It is well lit and has das nice view. Nice view is there. What is the consonant sound? It is a consonant sound. So use the article as a. It has a nice view of. For the mountains you have to use the article as the, definite article. So use the article as the. Now read the answer. It is well lit and has a nice view of the mountains. But Das kitchen looks a little small. Here also specify place. So point out the article as the. But the kitchen looks a little small. Now read the answer, children. The living room looks great. It is well lit and has a nice view of the mountains. But the kitchen looks a little small. Norman, and I remember you said there is dash basement, right? What is the sound here? You have here basement. It is a consonant sound. So use the article as a. Now read the answer. And I remember you said there is a basement, right? Roman, yes, there is a basement. The same thing is there. A basement where we can put things. Then Norman, I wonder if there is dash school nearby. Here you should not use the indefinite, that is a definite article there. School is a singular in number and it has the consonant sound. Singular in number, and we are using for the first time, we use a before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. So, a school nearby. Now, read the answer, children. I wonder if there is a school nearby. The next, Raman. Let's ask, does real estate agent when he comes? Here, we have pointed out real estate agent, not somebody else, a particular person. So you can use the definite article here. What is the definite article? The article the specifies the noun. It is used when the noun referred to has already been mentioned. The is the definite article. The real estate agent. So you can use the article here as the. So now read the answer, children. Let's ask the real estate agent when he comes. Norman, hey, look, there he is. So this is the procedure, or you can say as the usage of articles a, an, and the. So children, we have learned the grammar articles, the rules, definition, example, everything, and then we have written the definition, rules and example in your classwork note also. So children, keep your classwork notebook along with your workbook. Go through your classwork notebook and then you can check the answers for the worksheet 1 which we have discussed now. Write it in your workbook. That is the answer. Fill the answers of the worksheet 1 articles. Write it neatly. Mention the date and write. After completing your worksheet, take a photocopy and send it to. Thank you.